Hello! Welcome to my original Arduino boards unboxing video. I'm going to take a look through Arduino Leonardo. Here is the original box. Let's look inside. We've got the board based on the ATmega32U4 microcontroller with micro USB connection, reset button and power jack. This board has plastic half case. I've never seen any on Chinese or Russian versions. We can see good serigraphy on the board. Also, in the box we have some documentation. Let's have a look. Here we have some words on Arduino brand and electromagnetic compatibility. Something else. On the other side we have currency policy. Okay. There have to be some stickers on something. And here they are. Now Arduino Uno's turn. This classical board based on the ATmega32U4 8-bit microcontroller. It has USB connection through AB USB port, power jack and reset button as well. Once again, plastic half case. Stickers and documentation. They are the same. The boards look alike too, but Arduino Leonardo is an integrated USB HID board, so it can perform as a keyboard, for example, in your project. And the Arduino Uno is the best board to learn basics in coding and electronics, as well as to create complex projects. Let's test this board with the basic code example. I chose Blink that makes onboard LED blink. The LED marked L blinks. Success. Let's do the same with Arduino Leonardo. On the video you can see that it already blinks. That's because I've already downloaded it before I took footage of the Uno board, so we can see how it keeps code if we disconnect board for a while. Here I changed board in the menu. Verify. Download. Links. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Bye!